Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack, and I'm here at Mt Mansfield in the northern mountains of Vermont, looking over these ice wall formations back here behind me. Incredible ice wall formations. There's been a lot of rain recently, and I hear that's what's caused these ice walls. I don't know if this is normal, if this happens every year, but it's quite incredible. See, deep in the mountains here, up on this closed road, just Top Notch Road. I think it's Top Notch or Notch Road. This area is called the Notch. Continue walking up this path here. I hear there's an overlook with a lake, so I'm gonna go check that out.